So just show you this Mark II we've been working on. We've been doing general tidy up of the car, ready for it to be sold. It had quite a few problems, some rust problems. The bodywork had faded quite a lot, so we had to polish that up all over, detailing the chrome and also the dash. I'll show you that in a second. So it's had the whole front end of the car painted because there was loads of stone chips and corrosion on it, so we've sorted all that out, replaced some of the minor details to make it look really neat, and then generally just sort out one or two defects on the bonnet as well that had happened, so that's much nicer now. Then we've machine polished the whole body, but the main work we did was on the interior. We did do a video on it a little while back, but the woodwork was in really bad condition. All the laminate had come off. It wasn't salvageable at all, really. So what we did was we actually sanded back down to the wood, and then used a clear epoxy and then a lacquer over the top. So we just refinished it. We did all of it, this top piece, the tops of the doors, these glove box sections around here, and it's a really nice effect. I mean, obviously it's not 100% original, but compared to what it was before, it looks way better. And actually I think it's come out really nicely, actually. And it's been sat around a little while, so it's held up, it's quite robust, but it really just neatens up this portion of the car, so it looks a lot better now, better to be sold. So hopefully the customer is really happy with it.